Annie Jacqueline Hathaway, better known as Annie Hathaway, is a beautiful and talented actress, singer, and voice actor who rose to fame with her debut film The Princess Diaries in 2001. It is interesting to know that her parents named her after Shakespeare's wife Annie Hathaway. Early life. This quirky yet talented actress was born to Gerald Thomas Hathaway and Kathleen Annie Cat in 1982 on 12 November. She was born in Brooklyn, New York, but grew up in Melbourne, New Jersey. Hathaway stands second among her siblings with her older brother Michael and younger brother Thomas. She completed her graduation from Melbourne High School and studied English major and political science minor at Vassar College. She stated that if she was not acting, she would either become an English teacher or a physiologist. Hathaway in 2004 was involved in a romantic relationship with Italian real estate developer Raffaello Folleri. But it all went down because he was involved in defrauding the investors. In 2012, the stunning actress married Adam Schulman, who is a businessman and an actor. She in 2016 gave birth to their son, Jonathan Rosebank Schulman. Age, height and weight. Being born on 12 November 1982, Annie Hathaway is 39-year-old as of today's date, 28th November 2021. Her height is 1.73 meter tall and her weight is 56 kg. Career. Annie Hathaway got entirely recognized with her first break in 1999 in the television series Get Real. Everybody was heavily struck with her performance in the Disney comedy The Princess Diaries in 2001, which peaked at number 3 at the box office. She also appeared in the following sequel. Later on, she acted in many family-oriented films like Nicole's Nickelback, Ella Enchanted, and also in romantic drama Brokeback Mountain. Awards and achievements. The Princess Diaries star won the Austin Film Critics Association Award for the Best Actress for the portrayal of the role. Kim Bachman in the 2008 movie Rachel Getting Married, and she also further won the Chicago Film Critics Association Award for the Best Actress and also got nominated for the Academy Award for the same movie. Net worth and salary of Anne Hathaway in 2021. This brunette beauty has an estimated net worth of $65 million as of November 2021. She has earned most of her fortune by acting in various movies. Also being a voice actor, Hathaway voiced in the animated series Rio, which grossed $484 million worldwide. She has been a long-term advocate for the Nike Foundation, which raises awareness against child marriage. She supports marriage equality and has donated money to LGBT rights organization. Anne Hathaway is one of the popular Hollywood actresses who made us fall in love with her because of her talented acting skills. She teamed up with the Girl Effect to empower girls in the developing and developed nation. She is the UN Women Goodwill Ambassador, and in 2017 she spoke about paid parental leave for men and women in International Women's Day.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.